Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is part 2 of the Verizon Galaxy S8. I'm going to check Swappa. As you can see, it's the same Imei from part 1, which is the Galaxy S8 for Verizon. So you can see the device shows on Swappa cleared. So we're going to go here in Page Plus portal. Okay, go ahead and validate the Imei. In which in part 1 it did definitely say reported insurance claim and also fraud frozen in the Verizon database. Voila, available for use. Actually, this device actually had 2 blocks on it earlier. It had a non-payment and a reported insurance claim. Non-payment owing Verizon Wireless $1,481.19. Device is now fully cleared and paid off. This is part 2. Tune in and subscribe. Thank you for watching.